Want to instantly level up your WordPress website with animated cloud backgrounds? This video shows you how to add stunning Vanta.js cloud effects in Elementor. With just one free plugin, no coding needed. The cloud animation responds to your mouse movement, creating a dynamic, interactive effect, just like the one you're seeing right now. And the best part? You can add it to your Elementor section in seconds. First, download the plugin from my GitHub. The link is in the video description. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, add New, and upload the zip file. Once activated, you'll notice a new tab in your settings panel called Background Settings. Now, open any page with Elementor. Select the section or container where you want the cloud animation. Under the Advanced tab, add the class, Vanta-BG, and save changes. And that's it. Your section now has a beautiful animated cloud background. You can fully customize the effect from the Vanta Effects settings. Change sky color, cloud color, sun color, glare, and animation speed, all using simple color pickers. Try experimenting with different colors and settings. It'll give your section a truly unique and eye-catching look. And that's all for today's tutorial. If you found this add-on useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really helps and keeps the content coming. I'd love to hear your thoughts or suggestions to improve this simple plugin, so drop a comment below. Don't forget to follow me for more WordPress tips, tricks, and custom plugins like this one. See you in the next video.